Hello friends, welcome back. I Dr. Dinesh welcomes you all. In this video we will discuss about the high impact factor journal and quality index journal. So first category of the journal is the IEEE transaction on pattern analysis and machine intelligence, and this journal is especially related to the computer science and IT researcher background. So you can submit your research paper if your topic match with this particular topics and titles. So what are the types of the topics covered by the journal? So this is the aim and scope section. Here you will get all the detailed information about the topic. So for example, here you can see this is the pattern analysis, machine intelligence, publish all the traditional area like computer vision, image understanding, and all the so many topics covered by under this particular umbrella. And the impact factor of this journal is the 17.86, and the eigenfactor is the 0.0683, and the publication details, so just click on this. So here you will get the information about the published editor-in-chief and also the print version and ISSN number for the online version. And this journal published free category of the subject. So this just journal related to the subject computer science and bioengineering. So if your research area comes under this topics and title, then you can submit your research paper to the publication. And if you are looking for the more details, just see the left hand side panel. So here you will get all the submission guidelines, submit manuscript, auto send, author center, and all the things are given here. So just explore this journal very carefully if your research area comes under this topics and title. Next category of the elsewhere publishers in the neurocomputing. So the general impact factor is the 4.438 and site score 9.5. And what types are the topics covered by this journal? कौन कौन से ऐसे topics हैं जो इसमें publish हम कर सकते हैं? So just click on the read and more. So here you will get all the detailed information about the topics. So just scroll down, and here you will get all the topics and title like the neurocomputing welcomes theoretical and contribution and aimed and bringing further understanding about the neural network learning system, including but not the restricted architecture learning method. And so many topics are covered by this journal. So if your research area comes under this particular section and topics and titles, so you can submit your research paper for the publication. So here you will get the journal metrics, and if you are looking for the indexing, whether they generated to the Scopus category or SCI category, so just click on the abstract indexing. Here you will get all the detailed information. So as you can see here, this journal related to the Scopus category and many more indexing. Next category of the journal is the Wiley online library. So this is the also best publishers and good publication across the globe. So Wiley online publication. So this journal title name is the topics in cognitive science. So if your research area under this cognitive science, you can submit your research paper for this particular journal. And if you are looking for this particular journal more in this, so here you will get all the detailed information like the submit and article, browse fee, all the things are given here. So just click on this particular title. So now aim and scope. So here you can see all the titles and topics given here. So if your research area match with this particular topics and title, you can submit your research area for this publication. If you are looking for whether this journal related to the Scopus category or not, so you can see here the journal related to the Scopus category, SCI indexing, and many more indexing. So explore this journal very carefully if your research area falls under this particular topics and title. Next category is also the renowned publisher Elsevier category. Journal title name is the International Journal of Information Management. So this journal is especially related to the computer science and multidisciplinary and also the management. So many researchers can publish their research paper in this particular journal. So whether this journal related what types of the topics and titles, so this section will provide all the detailed information about the topics and titles. So explore this journal very carefully and read all the detailed information and topic. If your research area falls under this category, you can submit your research paper. So whether this journal related to the Scopus category, SCI category, just click on this particular abstract indexing part. So here you will get all the detailed information. So as you can see here, this journal related to the Scopus category, SCI category, and also the many more indexing. So grab this golden opportunity to publish your research paper. Next category is the NAS journals. So if you are looking for the next journals, so journal title name is the Science Robotics Information for Authors. So Science Robotics, if your research area comes under this robotics part, then you can submit your research paper under this particular journal. So explore this journal very carefully. Here you right hand side you will get all the detailed information about this journal. So just like the current table of contents, archives, and about the journal and manuscript and mission and scope, all the things detailed are given here. Just you need to explore at your level. So if your research area falls under this topics and title, so this is the best journal about this particular these topics and titles. So if you are looking for a particular appropriate journals, join with us with this particular WhatsApp link. So you will see the WhatsApp link in the description. So join us, either you can just post a mail query through the mail. So definitely we will revert back to you. So friends, thank you for watching this video. If you have not subscribed this channel, subscribe this channel, so you will have the notification on daily basis in the morning. Thank you friends.